Let's be honest for a second. Most smart glasses look ridiculous, but then there are the Meta Ray-Bans. They actually look like normal sunglasses. So after using them, here are 7 things nobody tells you before buying Meta Ray-Bans. First thing nobody tells you is this: people genuinely don't notice you're wearing smart glasses. Honestly, I think this is one of the biggest reasons why Meta got these right. The second thing that surprised me is the camera. Honestly, expected it to feel gimmicky, but the footage is actually really cool, especially if you create content, travel, go to the gym, or just wait to capture moments naturally. You are not pulling out your phone every 5 seconds, you just press a button and record exactly what you're seeing. But here's something nobody really talks about. The videos are vertical only, which honestly kind of annoys me, because if you're creating YouTube content like this, vertical footage doesn't always look great in widescreen. Now let's talk about something nobody really mentions. Recording in public feels a little weird at first. And I'm just being honest, because people don't always know you're filming. Even though there is a small recording light, you still kind of feel like, wait, am I being weird right now? But after a while, you honestly stop thinking about it, especially if you are just using them naturally. Now let's talk about battery, because this is probably the biggest thing people complain about. And honestly, it really depends on how you use them. If you're constantly recording videos, listening to music, and using Meta AI, then yeah, the battery goes down pretty fast. But if you're using them casually throughout the day, taking a few photos, listening to music here and there, it's honestly not as bad as people make it sound. The charging case definitely helps, but still, don't expect all-day heavy use. This one genuinely surprised me. The speakers are actually way better than I expected. No, they are not replacing high-end headphones, but for podcasts, casual music, YouTube videos, or taking calls, they are surprisingly good. And honestly, being able to listen to music without putting anything in your ears feels kind of futuristic. And no, people around you usually can't hear everything you are listening to. Now let's talk about the feature everyone markets: Meta AI. Honestly, it's cool, sometimes really cool, saying things like, hey Meta, take a photo, or hey Meta, play music, but I also think people overhype it a little. Right now, I still see it more as a nice bonus rather than the main reason to buy these. And finally, this is something nobody tells you: the default settings are honestly not the best. Before using them properly, I would definitely recommend changing a few things. Turn on higher video quality, customize your notifications, and set up Meta AI properly. And spend a few minutes going through the app, because small changes actually make a pretty big difference. These are not phone replacements, they are not magic glasses. But if you love tech, content creation, future gadgets, just want something genuinely cool and different, honestly one of the most interesting gadgets I've used in a long time. And if you're thinking about buying Meta Ray-Bans, hopefully this video saved you some money or helped you make the right decision. Subscribe to the AdiTech Club for more future tech, smart gadgets and honest reviews. And let me know, what gadget should I test next?